Let's talk about something surprising: police body cameras and who supports them.
I mean, think about how divided America is, yet over 90% of us agree on this.
So what's going on? In a world this polarized, why do we all agree? Let's find out.
Okay, the evidence for this comes from a really big study, over 3,000 Americans.
Researchers showed people different outcomes from body cam footage to see how they'd react.
All right, here's our first clue. And it's a big one. It's probably not what you'd expect.
Get this. No matter if the officer was cleared or blamed, support for cameras went up.
Okay, clue number 2. You'd think this would be all about politics, right? Well, not exactly.
Turns out, Democrats and Republicans barely budged. It was independents who really changed their minds. And our final clue shows the real divide isn't political at all. It's about race and experience.
The groups who started out with less trust were actually the ones who responded the most.
Before the study, Black and Latino participants had way lower trust in police transparency, but after seeing the outcomes, their support for body cams shot way up. Okay, the clues are all here. Let's solve this thing. The case is closed. The answer is something called a cross-cutting reform, and it's the key to this whole thing.
Here's the deal. Different groups support them for totally different, sometimes opposite reasons.
And that's the magic. A solution can work even if we don't agree on the problem.
So it makes you wonder, if this works for policing, what other huge issues could we solve?